Hey there! Today you will learn about different jobs. Doctor. The doctor helps sick people. Teacher. The teacher teaches students. Nurse. The nurse takes care of sick people. Engineer. The engineer builds bridges. Police officer. The police officer keeps people safe. Firefighter. The firefighter puts out fires. Chef. The chef cooks food. Waiter. The waiter serves food. Waitress. The waitress serves food. Driver. The driver drives the car. Pilot. The pilot flies the airplane. Farmer. The farmer grows vegetables. Lawyer. The lawyer helps people in court. Musician. The musician plays flute. Dentist. The dentist cleans teeth. Architect. The architect designs buildings. Scientist. The scientist learns about world. Photographer. The photographer takes photos. Clothes designer. The clothes designer makes dresses. Electrician. The electrician fixes wires. What job would you like to have?